Hello guys, we are back with another video. Today we will be decorating my dining room. Guys, as you can see, I've done some changes to the dining room. I have updated my curtains. I have added this beautiful velvet black curtains that I picked up from Amazon, and I also changed the rods to like the small rods, and I absolutely love it, guys. I think before I had the beige curtains in the formal dining, and I decided to change it to the black curtains, and I absolutely love it. You guys tell me what you think. If you don't recall what the previous look was with the beige curtains, you can click in one of my videos that I've posted before. I believe my Easter table setting, you will see in that video, you will see how the curtains look before, and you can compare to see which one you like best. Guys, I was able to insert a picture of how the curtains look before and after, and you guys give me your thoughts. But guys, today we're gonna be decorating the dining room, as you can see, for spring and summer. So I will have this look for the whole spring and summer season. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video with a family or friends, guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please show your support by leaving a comment, posting a comment, sharing the video with a family or friends. Guys, thank you again for all your love and support, and continue to show your love. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. Guys, with this tablescape, I also forgot to mention, I'm using the majority of the stuff that I used during the Easter tablescape that I did during the Easter season. I just removed the bunnies, like all the Easter related items off the table, and I'm just adding a pop of spring and a pop of summer. So I'm basically using the majority of things that I used during that season. I purchased those napkin rings from Hobby Lobby, but later on you will see where I changed in the when I show you the final reveal. I did end up pick up some beautiful crystal gold and like crystal napkin rings from Z Gallery that was in clearance, and I ended up changing them to those napkin rings. So it absolutely looked beautiful, guys. Those napkin rings were like so high end, and I was able to get them very cheap. It was like 50% off on clearance at Z Gallery. So you will see later in the clip when I show you one of the final reveal clips where I did change the napkin rings, and I absolutely love them. I also did change the candles as well. I ended up changing them to a different candle because I don't like the color, the orange color that this light gives when it's on. So I ended up, it's kind of like throwing off my decor. I didn't really like it. So I changed that to just a regular wax candle, and you will also see that in the final reveal clip. Also, guys, since this channel is about also decorating on a budget and showing you guys how to shop, guys, like 90% of the things on my table are clearance item. Like, I just pick them up little by little. If I go to Home Goods, like a lot of those plates, like regular prices are like $6.99, but I purchased them for like $2.50, $3. You know, I'll pick them 2 at a time when I go inside Home Goods. When they go in clearance, I just pick up 1 or 2 at different Home Goods until I get my whole collection. So that's how I shop, because I enjoy decorating and switching my decor a lot. That's the best way for me to save money. I don't pick up things all at once. I just pick them up as they go on sale and on clearance. And again, 90% of the things on my table are clearance items. These little MG initials that I'm putting on the glasses, actually that's from my wedding. I kept them as souvenirs. We had them on the table, and I just kept them as souvenir, and I use them when I'm decorating. So These drink stirrers are also from my wedding. We had them in the bar area at the wedding, and I also kept them as little souvenirs. But I did end up moving this little butterfly tray to a different area in the house, and I did end up putting something else there.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later.